guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe the channel and watch the video till end. So there is a faculty recruitment going on in Matru Sri Engineering College. It is in Hyderabad. The posts are professor, associate professor, and assistant professor. In professor, if you have done PhD and having sufficient experience in civil, computer science, electrical and electronics, and IT, then you can apply for professor post. For associate professor, there is vacancy in civil branch, computer science, IT, electronics communication, and electrical and electronics. So if you have again PhD and some 4-5 experience year experience, then you can apply for associate professor and assistant professor. Only masters required, but if you have PhD, then also you can apply for assistant professor. PhD candidates will be preferred here, but MTech and masters is also eligible. So for assistant professor, the vacancy is in civil, computer science and engineering, IT, electronics communication, electrical electronics, mechanical, English, mathematics, physics, chemistry. So how you have to apply? You have to apply online in the format available on the college website. You have to go to homepage of this college by this website www.matrusri.edu.in along with a specified enclosure on or before 27th of February. You have to apply before 27th February for shortlisting. So the now next college is Nala Malla Reddy Engineering College. It is an autonomous institution. Medachal. This is district Ghat Kesar Divyanagar. It's in Andhra Pradesh or in Telangana maybe. You have to check that. So in this college there is faculty position required in computer science and English. Qualification required if you have MTech or PhD in computer science and English, then you can apply here. Qualification is as per AICTE norms, and some hardware networking professional vacancy is also there regarding IT hardware, networking, web development, programming. So if you have graduate with technical proficiency, then you can apply. You don't have to apply. You have to directly go to institute and appear for the interview with original certificates on 20 and 21st February 2021. And you also can send one email to info@nmrec.edu.in. Now the third college where the faculty recruitment is going on in Venganga College of Engineering and Management. It is in Maharashtra, Nagpur. Here also there is a walk-in going on for different branches like computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence and data science, civil, electrical, mechanical, electronics communication, MBA and TPO. The various vacancies for professor and associate professor. There is one position vacant in each branches, and for assistant professor also the one post available for computer science, one for artificial intelligence and data science, two for civil, one for electrical and one for mechanical. No vacancy in electronics, and one for MBA finance and one for TPO. Work experience required as per UGC and AICTE norms. Interested candidates should attend interview along with application, biodata, testimonial and 2 passport size photograph. Date of interview is on 21st February 2021, time 10 am. Venue college premises. Next college where the faculty recruitment will be going on is in Shatabdi Institute of Technology. It is in Nasik, Maharashtra. So again here there is walk-in for lecturer post, electrical, civil, computer, electronics, telecommunication. For each branches there are 2 post vacant for post lecturer. Qualification required is BE, ME, MTech. If you have, then you can apply. There is also vacancy for English. If you have ME in English, then you can apply. And next one, chemistry. For that you have to the requirement is MSc chemistry, physics, MSc physics. If you have, then you can apply. And also there is vacancy for clerk exam scholarship. If you have graduate and are and belong to local Maharashtra, then you can apply here. So yeah, according to qualification, if you are eligible, then you directly have to go to the college campus on 22nd February 2021 from 11 onwards with resume and attested document and biodata and two passport size photograph and appear for interview. The next college where the faculty recruitment is going on in Mangalmay Institutions. It is in Delhi NCR. There are very vacancy for HOD in management. If you have 10 years of experience in particular field, should have deal with NAC inspection, looking after the licensing part with AICTE, KTU or EGC, then you can apply for HOD post. There is also vacancy for assistant professor in management. If you have full time or beating in the field of marketing, HR, IT, operation and law, MBA with minimum 5-year experience, then you can apply for assistant professor. Then there is vacancy in for assistant professor in computer science and applied sciences, full time beating faculty in the same field with minimum 5-year experience. If you have PhD, then you can apply for that. And some vacancy for assistant professor in BCA, BCom and in education. So if you have masters with 3-year experience in each, then you can apply for with this BCA, BCom and education. There is also vacancy for admin assistant. If you have 3-year experience in admin, then you can apply. And next one, last vacancy is assistant librarian. If you have master in library with 3-year experience in institute or a school, then you can apply for that. And last one, principal also required for B Pharma, D Pharma and law. Consultant can apply. Means there is also vacancy for this principal. Qualification required is as per AICTE and UGC norms. You have to send your resume on mangalmay11@yahoo.com or info@mangalmay.org. So today that's all about faculty recruitment in various colleges. If you have liked the videos, please like it and share it with friends who have required this, and also subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you. Have a nice day.